Hello friends, my name is Naveenmandhan and today I am going to teach you how identifying and correcting errors of spreadsheet which is included in ACCA paper MA1. So let's start. There are a number of types of error in Excel which you need to know how to identify and correct. First error is circular references. Circular references usually but not always represent a mistake in the logic of the spreadsheet. For example, a formula that includes a reference to its own cell address. Here is some data to find circular references error. In this data we use cell address and formula, and Excel shows circular references error. Circular references error appears in Excel in following two ways: status bar, and Excel displays circular references in status bar. And second error is infinity error, commonly caused by a formula attempting to divide it by zero. This error appears when you divided a value with empty cell or zero value. So here is infinity error in cell C4 which is divided by black cell. It means zero value in a cell. And third error is value error. Value error occurs when a mathematical formula refers to a cell containing text. Remember that value error functions that operate on ranges. Some formula will not result in a number sign value error as they ignore text values. So let's find value error from this data. Here we get value error in cell C4 by dividing cell A4 with B2. And fourth error is null error. The cell reference within the formula are not separated correctly. This may occur by separating cell references by a space rather than a mathematical operator, or entering a range but not separating the range ends by a colon. To investigate the error, click on the cell displaying null and then on the error button that appears. Here is the null error. In this total formula we use another cell with space, and then Excel show null error. Fifth error is reference error. The formula includes an invalid cell reference, for example a reference to cells that have subsequently been deleted. If you notice the reference immediately after a deletion, press Ctrl+Z to undo. So here is the reference error when you delete formula cell address column, then Excel show reference error. These are the errors of spreadsheet. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the video then like and share my video and subscribe to my channel Naveenmandhan. Thank you.